How to make money selling ebooks online. Did you know that people are making thousands of dollars every month just by selling ebooks online? And the best part, you don't even have to write one yourself. Imagine waking up to find that while you were sleeping, your ebook was making money for you on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Most people struggle to make money online because they focus on the wrong things. But today, I'll reveal a secret that will change the game for you. Step 1. Understanding how to write an ebook. Writing an ebook is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps. Pick a topic people want. Choose a subject that solves a problem or teaches something valuable. Outline your ebook. Create a step-by-step structure to organize your content. Write in simple words. Keep it clear and easy to understand, like explaining it to a fifth grader. Use AI or hire a ghostwriter. Tools like ChatGPT can help speed up the writing process. Make it look professional. Use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to format it nicely. Action tip. Research what people are searching for on Google or Amazon Kindle to find a profitable ebook topic. Step 2. Learning how to sell and make money. Once your ebook is ready, here's how to sell it. Create a great cover and title. People do judge a book by its cover, so make it appealing. Write a persuasive sales page. Explain what's inside, why it's valuable, and how it benefits the reader. Set the right price. Start with a low price, $5 to $15, to attract buyers and increase later. Offer bonuses. Add extra guides, templates, or checklists to increase value. Action tip. Use testimonials or reviews from friends who read your ebook to build trust. Step 3. Learning where to sell it. Best websites. Here are the best platforms to sell your ebook. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, the biggest marketplace for ebooks. Gumroad, easy to use and lets you keep most of the profits. Payhip, great for selling digital products with built-in marketing tools. Etsy, yes, people buy ebooks on Etsy, especially workbooks and planners. Your own website, use WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace to sell directly. Action tip. Start by listing your ebook on multiple platforms to maximize your chances of selling. Step 4. Learning how to market and sell your ebook. Selling an ebook is all about smart marketing. Here's how to do it. Leverage social media. Share tips from your ebook on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Build an email list. Offer a free chapter or checklist in exchange for emails. Run Facebook and Instagram ads. A small budget, $5 per day, can bring in big sales. Create a blog or YouTube video. Teach something from your ebook and link to it. Collaborate with influencers. Ask niche influencers to promote your ebook for a small fee or free copy. Action tip. Join Facebook groups related to your ebook topic and offer valuable insights. People will naturally check out your ebook. Now that you know exactly how to make money selling ebooks online, it's time to take action. Success doesn't come from just watching videos. It comes from implementing what you learn. Imagine where you'll be 6 months from now if you start today. The online world is waiting for your ideas. Don't let them go to waste. If you're serious about changing your financial future, now's your moment. Money isn't just about survival, it's about freedom. Imagine a life where you're not stressing about bills, where you can take a vacation whenever you want, and where you can work on your own terms. That's what financial freedom looks like, and selling ebooks is a powerful way to get there. The best part? You don't need a degree, a big budget, or special skills, just the willingness to take action. Think of this as your chance to build a side hustle that can turn into a full-time income. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs today started exactly where you are right now, watching a video, wondering if they should take that first step. The difference? They did it. They took action, and now they're living life on their own terms. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you've ever wanted to make money while you sleep, now is your chance. Take that first step today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing strategies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.